So for Taves, now it's back to Oduya, long clip shot. Varlamov stopped it. Rebound taken by Hjalmarsson. Hossa. Now Saad. And it knocked away. Buffs will make a few changes on the move while they keep the puck. Not a few, they'll make all changes on the move.